if you are a person who likes fuller, thicker hair, I definitely would suggest this one. It's really nice and full, but also natural at the same time without being too overwhelming, so I really like that a lot.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me, and you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I build old units, new units, wig updates, everyday slays, and everything in between. So today, this glorious little unit that's on my head is going to be the one that I'm reviewing for you. This one is in the style Zury Sis Brit in the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Pop off, get your top off, shouty. Ringleader while you're not off for me. Heat eater, get your rocks off, shouty. Slow it down, let me pop this Bacardi. Smoke some, yeah, my eyes all glazed. Give me my stunners, I'm about to stun in his face. Take off, can't find him on ways. Face off, about to play my game. If you ain't coming with the butt, I'm about to get it off. Fire on deck, you wanna puff it, we can get it off. Rapping with the queen and I promise that we can set it off. See no evil, I'm a motherfucking rebel dog. Yo, scared, call the motherfucking polo. Sweating all in your all white polo. I'm a boss, get lost, yo, homo. See me on TV, all white coat out. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
I used to give a fuck, but that was back in the day. And now I can give a fuck less, so fuck what they say. Yeah, they judging me cause they been stuck inside a cage. Just discussing how they rushing just to ride up on the next wave. They flex shit cause their mind is insane. We can find it amazing, defined by a face. Drinking up the liquor with a little bit of haze. Rolling up the potion while they take it to the face. Choking on the hope until they lost inside their ways. Yeah, holding on to coping through the darkest of the days. Reaping what I sow, I've been digging up the graves. And I've been rolling in the deep just to keep you in your place. Fuck out my face, I slap the taste. Out from your mouth like your tongue's been displaced. See, but with the heat, see, I'm afflicted in a blaze. Saying I've been killing them in all they embrace.
Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
Put him in the casket, put him in the dirt. Someone gon' get hurt. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody wanna know where you live, what you drive, do you drink, do you smoke? Are you trying to get high? Are you living your truth for the demons you hide? I'm just trying to survive, catching the vibe in the peace where I thrive. Keeping my mind, I'm at ease and aligned with the things I can find. They've been eating alive by the lies that they hide and the lies they deny. They've been striving for pride. And they blinded inside of the eyes, they connive and the pain will subside. Insane in the membrane, they love wasting time.
Okay guys, so with this unit you do get 13 by 4 parting space. It does come pre-tweezed. It also has baby hairs. The density on this one is definitely more on the full side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's between 150 and 180 density, which I really like. I would compare it to the Sensational Chiari, except it is definitely more manageable and less fuller than that one. But if you are a person who likes fuller, thicker hair, I definitely would suggest this one. It's really nice and full, but also natural at the same time without being too overwhelming, so I really like that a lot. The baby hairs did come a little bit long, so as always I did just go in and cut them a little bit just to get that more natural vibe. So let me just come in a little bit and show you how the hairline is looking. So I feel like it's not bad. You definitely could go in and tweeze it some more if you wanted to, but if you're just somebody who's looking for a throw on and go, you also don't really need to, because I feel like it is looking pretty cute. It wasn't too much work to get the baby hairs to lay down. This is what the parting space is looking like. So like I said, you do get that 13 by 4. I also am loving the fact that this unit is not just dead straight. It's sort of layered and it has a little bit of flow to it, so I really definitely do like that. The length on it comes just above my boobs, and I'm 5'3" for reference. I really like the length on it. This is one I feel like if you wanted to wear every day for work or just an everyday slay, you definitely could do this one. I feel like it's definitely worth it because you're not needing to put in too much work to actually get this look going, so I'm all here for that. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So this unit also does have your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. The texture on it is definitely feeling like a relaxed Yaki, so it's very natural, it's really soft. I love it a lot. I'm not getting any snags, any tangling or shedding, but of course, you know, with synthetic in the future, you most likely will get the tangling and shedding, but straight off the back, first impressions, definitely not getting any of that at all. It's feeling really nice. It's feeling like pretty good quality, honestly, and I am all here for it. I definitely would pick this one up again, and I do like the fact that this is Swiss lace instead of the HD lace. So with the HD lace, I am a fan of it, but I did notice that when you go out into the sun, that white lace is sort of even more prevalent. Even if you did go in and pack that concealer in there, you definitely just gotta be sure like that bad boy is packed on there, because when you go into the sunlight, honey, it's a whole different story. But I like the fact that with the Swiss lace, I didn't really feel the need to pack so much on, as well as it didn't come super white. So I feel like that may be a different situation when going outside. It may not be as prevalent white lace as it is with the HD lace, so I'm a fan of it. I'm liking how that looks, honey. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day.